So, any doubts till now?
No, I am good.
Okay.
No,
Yeah, Raju, do you have any doubts?
no, I am good.
Okay, fine. So you can reach out me if you have any doubts in the work also. So I am giving my mail ID. Currently, which version you are using in your environment, Venkat?
It's some servers we have 7 version. Now we are some servers are in 8.5.
Mm-hmm. Okay. There is a
Mostly all servers migrating to 8.5.
okay. So there is a much difference for 7 and 8.5. So lot of things are implemented.
Yes, I don't know 7 version.
Mm-hmm. 7 version it is like it is platform dependent software. So that means for Windows and Linux are different softwares, and installation manager is not there. So it is introduced from 8. IBM
Oh,
installation
okay.
manager. It is a software to install and uninstall the products. So that is introduced from 8 onwards. In 7 only
Yeah.
the profiles job manager is there. Um, DMGR profile, application server profile, custom profile, and job manager profile. Only four profiles are available in 7.
Oh, oh,
From 8 onwards, admin agent is added, cell is added, okay, and secure proxy added. So 7 profiles. And the product installation product is it is platform independent binaries, so we can install anywhere. Same binaries for all operating systems, and we can use it for 64 and 32 bit also. Same set of
oh,
software, same set of binary files, but only the difference is IBM installation manager, that is platform dependent. So once we install IBM installation manager, we can go with product installation. So without that, we cannot install VAS, because VAS is doesn't have bin. I mean, it is not bin file. So it is just a product file, some folders and files. That's it. So any doubts so far?
no. Hmm.
Raju, can you give a review for us? Experience with me and SPR also. I think Raju has shared one URL to you. Uh, can you provide some review on that?
Yeah, yeah, we'll do from together.
Okay, fine. So what else?
So today we are doing the SSL.
SSL I cannot show practically, because SSL secure socket layer, we need digital certificates from the trust center. Okay, so SSL is possible only on real time. So that too, client will buy the certificates from the trust center. He will buy for 2 years or 3 years, 5 years, like that time period. So client will give us in general, client once the certificate is expired, we will notify to the client this is certification, I mean certificate is expired. Then they will give us the digital certificates like root CA, intermediate CA, trust CA. So like that they will give the certificates. So our job is we need to keep that certificates in one place. There is a, I mean, there is a specific place for every environment. We cannot say this is the standard path. We cannot say like that. So there is a specific path for every project. So we have to keep the files there and we will restart the services. Then the files, the certificates will be imported in the server. Then the application will run with the security. So that digital certificates we cannot download, and trial certificates we cannot download. That is the problem.
Oh, I thought we can create some local certificates, right, from ourselves, by ourselves.
No, we
No,
cannot do that.
not that. Okay. And patches.
And
How can
SSL,
we install patches now?
SSL, uh, that the job is not. I mean, day-to-day activity. If the certificate is expired, then we will go with installation. So otherwise, no need. So it depends on the certificate's expiry date. So they will buy, for some people they will buy for 2 years, some people 5 years, 10 years, like that.
But where do we install the certificates?
There is a path. I mean, this is the installation path, right? Suppose, so they will create one path in the installation itself, profile installation. Some folder they will create like cert or something like that, and they will keep the profiles in this, I mean certificates in the path. And if you run that application server, the certificate will be invoked by default, and we can see the certificate information when we are running that server. Okay, so after that we open that application, then we can check the certification expiry date. So issued to, everything we can check. So not only that, for normal applications also we can check. So let me show you.
So in the console, there should be something, right? There should be where we can see and do all
Yeah,
that.
that's what I'm showing. So this is my Gmail.
Okay.
It has some security. SSL is enabled. So what they will do is they will buy the certificates from the trust centers. So Verizon is the one trust center. Verizon.com. So they will give us the certificates. They are the certificate authority people. So client will buy the certificates from them and they will share to us. Okay, so we will install, we will keep that certificates in one place and we will restart the services. So after that, open that application where we install that certificate and right click on this page. Okay, so let me show you. It is not possible in let me show you in IE. IE is okay. HTTPS. Okay, so right click on this page. This is a secure page. So right click on this page, go to properties. Here there is a button called certificates. Click on this. Here you can see issue to accounts.google.com. So this is the Google people buy the certificates. Okay, so that accounts.google.com is the application name. This is the application name, Gmail application name. Okay, and issued by Google Internet Authority G2. Okay, and expiry date is valid. This is the validation date from 11/10/2016 to recently it is updated. Recently the people has updated my certificates for the Gmail, and it will be expired February to 2017. Okay, and this is the application name and this is the issued by okay, and the expiry date. And the same way we can check for any application. Okay, if you want more details, click on details here. Okay, so these are all the details, field and value. So version is v3, certificates version is v3. Okay, and signature of algorithm, this say algorithms we cannot understand. Okay, it depends on certificate. And issued to, issued valid. Okay, and public key, this is the public key. Okay, so these are all the some details. And certification path, so this is the path they have installed under GeoTrust Global CA, Global Internet Authority G2, and the application is account.google.com. The certificate is okay status. So like this we can find out. So not only Google, any website we can check like this. Suppose Facebook properties certificate. So the application name is facebook.com. Okay, so issued by disease set sh2 high assurance server CA. This is the trust center name. So they have provided the certificates to my Gmail Facebook account. Okay, and this is valid from 8/27 2014 to 30/12 December December 30th. December 30th is it is going to expire. Okay, and details we can find out here. And path. Okay, so issuer statement. Like this, once we imported, once we copy the files into our environment, restart the services and check the application uh, digital certificates are added or not. We will check like this and we can say so certificates are imported successfully.
Okay. And how about the patches? If you have to install any patches, security patches or any updates to WebLogic server software?
Actually, I never did patches in my environment.
Okay.
Like
Because I heard IBM patch every month
what is
for
that? No, I did not get you. Come again.
no, for security security reasons.
Hmm.
I'm looking at IBM releases security patches once a time. They don't release patches every
Patches, patches are we have many patches. So sometimes see patches means it's like a fix patch. So if any issues if anyone reported any issue, so that issue we have to resolve. So that is not resolved by us. Obviously we will go with contact with IBM people. We will raise an SR service request to IBM. So IBM people give us the solutions workarounds. So we have to implement that workarounds and solutions into our environment. Still the issue is exist. So they will give you a fix pack. Okay, fix means issue fix. Pack means it contains a lot of fixes, so which is not resolved by the administrators. so they will release one fix pack. Okay, so we have to contact the IBM people only. They will give us. So it is free of cost because the client is already buy the license of this software, so no need to pay anything. They will give us the fix packs, so we have to download those fix packs and we will install in our environment. But I never try that. I never get chance to do the fix packs installation.
Practice. Oh, okay.
But this is the process.
Okay. So do you have anything like general interview question or what they might ask in interview?
I have some interview questions, but they are very generic questions. So
Oh,
let me check in my mission. HSBC. I think answers also there. Oh,
okay.
I need answer to this question. Please tell. Some questions having answers.
And this may not be 8.5, right? This may be.
This is not 8.5. This is like version 6. Very long back. I have prepared
Oh,
these
then
questions.
long
Very
back. Yeah,
very long back.
nobody will be
Yeah.
asking this. Okay. I
Otherwise,
will
do
try
one
on the
thing.
internet if we can find some.
There is a website called coolinterview.com. So there we can find out
Okay.
the questions and answers also. Coolinterview.com.
Cool interview. Okay.
Coolinterview.com. So this is for every technology. We can find interview questions and answers. So we can read from there. So that is generic questions. I mean, very regular questions and answers. You can find out there. Let me check. Here are the some questions and answers. So you can go through this. So let me share you this link. Still it is loading. So this is IBM Knowledge Center. So this is free blog from IBM. So we can read 8.5 PDFs, videos will be available. So each and every task and activities and updates. So everything we can find out in in the knowledge center. So the page is not loading. Wait for some time. See here, this is 8.5 version. Here you can see some getting started tab. So in this, how to start working with WebSphere and common tasks. What are the common tasks available? Okay, troubleshoot. Monitoring, tuning parameters, and deploying the applications. So and troubleshooting support also available. Okay, and here some more information. Okay, so you can go through this and we can read if you have any doubt, any support from the IBM Knowledge Center. Okay, I will share you this URL also. Make a note of these things. And somewhere I found videos also, video training. using same URL. And you can refer the red books also. Red book for people providing the complete administration. This is PDF. Red books not able to open. Okay. None of the sites working.